Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is dash LK LK KK dash KL dash KK LK LK dash. Now to get the answer, once again what I will do, I will substitute the given options and I will try to read the series. If I get the regular pattern, that means right pattern, I will consider that option as the right option. For that, let me put the first option first. According to the first option, the first letter is K, the second letter is L, the third letter is K, and the fourth letter is also K. Now try to read the series. KL KL KK, KL KL KK, KL KL KK. Well friends, read it once again. KL KL KK, KL KL KK, KL KL KK, KL KL KK. This is giving me a regular pattern. Now I will consider the first option itself as the right option, because if any option gives you some regular pattern, that option will be the right option. Friends, we will see some more number of problems.